Okay, so we're taking a look at some galaxies, and what we want to really think about here is Hubble's law, because that is the thing that's going to relate the hypothetical galaxy, the recessional velocity (RV) and the distance of the galaxy. We're going to use Hubble's constant. In this case, h in my example is 71 kilometers per second per megaparsec. But in this, we're really just looking at, can we identify units? And so the real question here is, what are the RV and D respectively? So again, RV is recessional velocity and D is distance. So we're really just talking about units, and can we identify units here? In the first example, we have 4,150 megaparsecs. Megaparsec is a unit of distance. So a parsec is around 4 light years, and it is a unit of distance. So it's the same as a foot or a centimeter or a meter, simply a unit of distance that you may not be familiar with, but that's all it is. You'd be able to identify a distance if someone asked you, hey, which one is the distance, 12 inches or 3 seconds? You'd be like, well, the distance is 12 inches. It's the same thing here. Megaparsecs is the same thing as saying a foot. It's just a lot bigger than a foot. The next one, we have 415 kilometers per second. Kilometers per second. Well, what does that remind you of? Maybe miles per hour. That's a speed. So again, if somebody asks you, what's the difference here? Identify which one's the velocity or speed and which one's the distance. Well, you'd have a pretty easy time. If it was 12 inches and 12 miles per hour, you'd know which one's the distance and which one is the velocity or speed. Same thing here. Megaparsecs is a distance and kilometers per second is a velocity. In this case, it's the recessional velocity of the galaxy. So you do the same thing for each one. The next one, don't even worry about the number. Just look at the unit. Same thing. Megaparsec is a distance and kilometers per second is a velocity. See if you can do the next two on your own. Good luck.